Moment of truth.
You doing guessing?
I didn't do anything. It's hooked up where I can get to it. Alright. Alright, why don't you flip around the other, get out of the way right here.
You gonna kick this thing?
Sure, why don't you pick it up?
I'll get it.
Develop cover
Oh,
code.
dude. That's good. That was Wyoming.
Where's the inflator? Air.
Yeah. I figured he was having a good time. Maybe an issue.
Where's it at?
Yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I'm just about ready to fire the thing off. I'm gonna let you go and I'll ring you a little later or something. Alright, bye.
Locking hair in the front.
All better now?
Yep, feels better. About 32.
Okay.
Get a cover on the back one or not?
Yeah.
An extra cover. Extra one floating around.
Okay. Spare parts.
Here you go, spare parts. Alright. I think we got everything ready to go. Gas on yet?
Yep.
Yes.
Battery's hooked.
No kicking?
But,
You can kick it if you want.
no kicker on it.
Kicker's over there, you can kick it all you want. Any juice up here? Any lights?
No lights back here.
Hmm.
Here we have no juice.
What's up with that?
I don't know. We'll hook up the battery.
It's hooked up.
It is? Sure.
Got power to it? We no longer did battery on it.
You just charge the battery.
Something's not.
It's not
Oh,
gonna
did you
work.
not hook the ground up, Smitty?
It's hooked up. I know how to hook a battery. It's all hooked up. Some stuff right here.
The wire on here.
What's that?
The wires are hooked up.
Yeah, everything should be.
Took the ground up between here and there.
Here's the ground. This connected. Everything's tight.
Ground wire's hooked up. No juicy.
Hmm. Strange. What the hell?
If you broke it, Smitty,
Damn it.
take a good help.
Well, it might still have spark. Maybe just the lights don't work.
No lights work. There's nothing is hooked up. Alright. We locking ground. Or this doesn't work. This does work. Oh, there we go. Trying to get power. Okay, what do you got over on this side? I think our ground is pretty crappy. One of these should be hot, either this one or this one.
We have neither.
It's hooked up there. Coil is buried, right?
Yeah, it's definitely buried.
There's no juice to our switch.
Hmm.
No juicy. Nobody's filming nothing except fucking a stand working on a bike.
What is desirable to be filmed?
You're supposed to be showing we're diagnosing how there's no power to the bike, but what we're doing to figure out there's no power. So I have a test light here that I went like that to. Then I go up here to the switch like that, and we have nothing.
I understand why.
So we have no juice from there to there.
I wonder if maybe.
So I'm thinking there's a wire that's not hooked up over here. Oh, this has a stupid fuse on it.
Let's check the stupid fuse. What do you say?
Remember how you arced the bike
Yeah,
earlier?
yeah, could be an issue.
This is the reason why you do not run a fuse on a Harley. Because all they do is blow. It's stupid.
I don't run fuses either.
circuit breakers are what you use.
I thought that was just negligence not running the fuse. Turns out I was actually negligent.
Pull it.
Oh, it's burnt.
Oh, there's our problem.
You got a 30 amp fuse?
It's in your spare parts kit on your bike.
Yeah?
Yeah, where's that?
I got fuses at home.
Good.
You don't have any of these here?
I don't work on these kind of vehicles.
Okay, well, that's simple no.
I use circuit breakers. We don't have these
I'll
problems.
run down to the parts store and pick one up.
So that's why you don't use a fuse on a Harley Davidson, because
That's the way it was when I bought it.
it doesn't go in your trunk. Where's your trunk? You got a bag up here. Is there any fuses up in here?
No.
You sure? Maybe you should get some to go in here. You might need them again. Something sounds like a fuse box. What's this? You got a pager?
That's probably a remote for the garage door.
Oh. I don't feel any fuses. You should have some fuses up here in your...
I'll have some after I buy them.
Oh, okay, go give me some fuses there, Smitty. Good job. So there's a good reason why I don't use fuses, because they always usually get stranded. Yeah. Other than that, it runs perfect. We were going to upgrade the air filter too a little bit. So instead of using the
Brillo pad,
high drag,
dishwasher.
low flow but good filtering, we're going to put a high flow, excellent filter in there. So that'll be a big improvement over that. So these you cannot use on a J slot, but you can use them on a center screw all day long. So we're going to use that. And I think there's a 1/2 inch bolt that held it in, but we're going to leave this off till the bike's running. I always like making sure the bike runs before I put the car all filter on there. Yeah, I'm not much on this acorn nut against some kind of a star washer that's bent. I don't know why I don't think a straight nut into a tapered hole works very well, but that appears how this bike's made to run. Alright, well there you go. Looks like we're on hold. Fuse. Don't use fuses on Harleys. This thing's been slammed in the front. Looks like a hot rod. Yeah, there's the lights on. Okay, do the lights come on now when you turn the battery on? No. Ooh, I see one light. Is it a headlight? Oh, we got a headlight. We have contact. All right. Look at that. It might actually work now.
What are these bottom lights?
Sorry?
Are these brake lights down here? They don't turn on.
There's secondary lights. Not on yet.
Just the top 4 and the middle one.
There's a switch somewhere for it.
Okay. Turn the headlight off so it'll start.
On.
Gas is on still.
Gas is on.
We got oil pressure. Lights on.
You got throttle like at the starter.
Choke on.
Choke is on.
It's off.
On.
It's on almost all the way. Hit it. Try it again. got oil flowing to primary. We have oil in the crankcase over here. Got a fucking filter in here or something? It's got a filter in it, doesn't it?
Must I? Yes. I don't know.
You never looked at it? I thought you had the lid open on this thing.
Here's a rag.
I thought you had the lid on this thing already out. You didn't look in there?
No, I recall.
Alright. Obviously there's a filter in there. Obviously the oil's coming back because it made a big mess real quick and it didn't want to go back down. Alright, get down as far as you can on the back side. Turn that back down. Okay. So we made a mess.
Screwdriver, something push down here.
Yeah, it's over there.
That black had a long one in it.
Oh, they're all buried someplace. I don't know where they're all at.
That's what I was asking.
Well, they were all out. They couldn't have gone too far.
Yeah, we hit them once.
Remember I hit them? It's all my fault now. Well, at least there was oil in it.
So what do I owe you on the tire or the wheel? No, I'm gonna help you pull that thing off the rack, but I just wanna know. See if I have the cash on me.
Secret.
Okay then.
Top secret. Need to know only. Do you need to know?
I guess if you wanna get paid tonight or
Oh,
wait.
geez. All right, so, excuse me. So this thing fills up full of oil and eventually it sucks back into the motor. So I don't know how much oil level is going to be in here, but you can see it back in there collecting. So eventually it'll be good to go. It appears the primary chain has a coating of oil on it right now, which is a good sign.
Is this the same as mine where you adjusted on the oil pump?
Nope, it's full-time feed.
So it's supposed to drip that much?
It's not dripping, it's pouring over there on purpose. It's pumping oil over to it, and it
Is
pumps,
that too much?
and it pumps oil back.
It's a circulating oil system.
And we never did
Oh,
check the
so it's
oil
not a
level.
Total lock system like I have.
Okay, it appears that you have moisture in your transmission oil. Is it supposed to be all foamy looking in here?
Probably not.
Okay. It wouldn't hurt to do an oil change on your transmission, and it's full of liquid, foamy stuff. And it is low right now too.
Okay.
All right, I tried to lean out the idle mixture and it made it run slower, so that means it was fine. It's really hard to adjust with your fingers. I did raise the idle speed up. It appears it did not want that choke because it probably is full of oil and crap in the combustion chamber. And it appears that we are blowing some excess fluid out of the motor. What'd you do with that hose?
Sorry?
What'd you do with the hose that used to be over here?
It's still down there. I zip tied it up.
I'm assuming you zip tied it, blowing straight back. Yes. So, you are now blowing oil all over your tire because someone moved the hose away from how I had it. So, do you want to get oil all over your back wheel? I would recommend that you put it back to how like I had it, because right now you got it going straight back.
Well, it's not like it's going to be blowing it constantly, is it?
It will blow it all the time because see how it blows back on the tire? As you go down the road, it blows out the back. That's why I have it shooting downhill and to the right, like this, like I had it.
I'm changing.
Before someone zip tied it and tucked it up nice and cleanly over there, rerouted it. That's why I didn't do it that way. There, now it should go backwards and that way. There's another leak over here on the floor. Probably,
Oh, man.
probably when somebody pulled the oil tank out.
Oh, oil cap?
Yeah, that's the one. I don't know who would have done that with a running vehicle. There, I collected it for you. Okay, now this is gonna run out here, see? Downhill and out.
Okay.
So now it's gonna spray all the oil over off the end of the
Side
rack.
of your tire.
Yeah. Yeah, it won't be on the tire like it is right now. It'll be over here on the side of my stuff over here though.
Right. You're happy, I'm happy.
Well, someone's got to clean up the mess on the floor after I start it up again. But at least it will not be making a mess all over my back of my rack. Heaven forbid if we had that going on.